Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to test WooCommerce checkout. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is just go ahead and open your WordPress and click on WooCommerce section at the left side of your screen, then select Settings. Okay? And after you've done that, what you need to do is just go ahead and click on the payments options. And then once you've done that, enable the payment method. So just go ahead and choose any payment method that you want. So if you have a lot of payment methods on your WooCommerce store, don't worry because you just need to repeat the process in every payment method you have. Okay? Now add random account in account details. So just go ahead and add a random account number because this is just a test. Okay. So once you've done that, click on the Save Changes button at the lower part of your screen. Okay. So let me just go ahead and give you a minute in order to set up or add a random account in account details. Okay, so if you're still not done with adding a random account, just go ahead and pause this video. So once you're done with the random account, again, click on the Save Changes to save all of your actions. Then now, click on the shipping zone and then set up a random shipping zone. Again, you can just go ahead and set up a random shipping zone. That is because this is just a test. Okay. Now click on the Save Changes again once you are done setting up the shipping zone. So again, pause this video if you're still not done with setting up the random shipping zone. Now visit your store, then place a test order. Okay, so just go ahead and visit your store, select a product, random product, and then just go ahead and click on the place order. So if you see the thank you, your order has been received once you've clicked on the place order, that means that your checkout works perfectly fine. Okay? So as I said earlier, if you have a lot of payment methods, just go ahead and repeat this process in each payment method that is available on your WooCommerce store. Okay? And that is how you test WooCommerce checkout. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.